Hello guys, I truly hope you're all doing perfectly fine and in good health. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to you all to the Liquid Digitizing YouTube channel, where we'll be explaining exactly how we create embroidery designs. As you can see today, we're making one such design, and right now we're running a white fill in it as per customer requirement, because according to the customer, only white will be used. The blue you see in the background will be the fabric showing through. So keeping that in mind, in this we will be making sure to incorporate royal blue and white into this. As you can clearly witness, we have meticulously crafted Indiana's face, and just look at how wonderfully beautiful it has become. At this very moment, we are applying the white color fill into it so that its whole white background can be entirely covered by the stitching. And you see here we have put white stitches into this. Yes, we have just changed its angle, and from here you can set its properties like density according to your fabric, and that's how we've set its density from here. Now from here, just look at how beautiful this view is. And at this point, the design has been fully completed. You can clearly see how wonderful it looks now that the design is finished. We're also showing you the before and after, so you can compare how it appeared in the original artwork versus its final look once we digitized it. And this right here is the Indiana face. Right now, regarding the Indiana face, I'm starting to get the impression that perhaps there's a bit too much detail in it. Or for instance, since we're currently focusing on the heart, I'm going to try and create this heart using a completely different technique altogether. If I end up really liking the way this new technique looks, then we will definitely proceed and apply it. If not, then we'll simply remove what we've done here, and we'll just stick with the original version that we had created earlier. I had originally created this piece using a fill stitch technique. After making it with fill stitch, we then converted it from a complex fill pattern into a satin stitch. But when I compared it side by side with the other one, I really didn't like how it looked. So I had to remove it completely and then carefully bring it back to its proper original position, exactly where it should be. Now look at this Indiana eye. It feels like I've applied a satin finish, and its look is getting a bit spoiled, meaning there's too much detailing in the eye. So we'll reduce its detail in the eye, and now we'll create it with a smoother finish. There's a noticeable difference when you create something using a running stitch versus a satin stitch. However, upon observing the specific area, we found it to be quite small, so we opted for the running stitch. Now the overall appearance of the eye has significantly improved, and now we will gently open it up a little more to ensure that it creates sufficient space. This way the eyes will be properly defined and appear much clearer, leading to a significant improvement in its overall look. So you see, I've just taken these specific points and moved them all downwards. Now observe the significant difference it has created right here within this eye. And guys, please make sure to keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to our Liquid Digitizing YouTube channel. This way you will consistently receive all our new videos and stay updated. So we are now creating this small text, and for this small text we have only set its densities and other related properties, because small text is extremely important within designs. So we have at this moment set its specific values, because it's mostly a game of just values and also your text's overall sizing. In the yeah, this large text that's written down below, I've also added a little bit of spacing to it, and just look how good its overall appearance is. So guys, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep receiving new videos and learning new techniques. And if you have any further questions, or if there's a specific technique you'd like to inquire about, you can certainly reach out to us. Also, if you need any custom designs created, you can follow us and contact us directly through our Liquid Digitizing page. Alright, so this design here is now completely finished, and now I'm going to show you its before and after. Just look how beautiful the before and after looks now. So we'll meet again next time.